Hey everybody, today we're here to change the parking light of the Skoda Superb, and the parking light is this really tiny T10 bulb that fits in the Superb's headlamp cluster. The Superb's headlamp cluster now comprises of 4 different bulbs. One's your turn signal on this side, you've got your bi-xen on in the middle, your high beam, which is the 8.7 halogen, makes its way down there, and right above it, that tiny thing, yeah, that's your parking light, which stays on while you're low beaming the vehicle. So we're all set to switch it up. So let's pop this bonnet right now and let me show you what we need to do to begin with the switch up process. So now to begin with this process, we've got this little cap out here. Open this out, get this out of the way, and right in there is your halogen cable as well as the parking light, which is on top. The one in bronze is what we need to get removed. I'm gonna remove this one out. We're just gonna have to squeeze and toggle it around a little bit, and that's when it makes its way out. The manual mentions that you got to turn it towards the right side and then just pull it out, and that's exactly what I've done here to get it out of there. So you can clearly see up here, that's the light that we're all set to switch out. Just pull it out, the little tinker, and it's out of its socket. And we're all set to now open up the Ostrom. The reason I picked this up is because Ostrom has bi-xenons that are in this car. So I really prefer this brand, thinking it's much more safer than any other one. Take a look at this little LED. I'll set to revamp it up. We're gonna just simply dip it in. Make sure it's snugly fit, and it is. As you can clearly see, it's made itself in there. The little tinker. And now to put it in, we're just gonna get it in the slot. The same way we removed the older one. And you gotta make sure, you can see I've just put it in and it seems like it's put, but it's not yet fit. So you've gotta once again rotate it. It clips in place. Let's turn it on quickly for a quick test and see what the new lights look like. And there it is. They're really tiny, but at night, I'm telling you, they make a major difference, and we're about to show you what it looks like. So if you guys would like to see more of this do-it-yourself stuff of modding up your car, then don't forget to press the like button as well as hit the subscribe button down there so you'll know whenever I post the next video. Thank you for watching.